Well, today we're in Akihabara, or Akihabara. I'm going to go and look for the creepy vending machine corner, which is a place apparently worth having a look of. So I'm going to go and try and find it. Well, I think it's up here on the left. I managed to find it. Oh, there it is. Let's see what there is here. I'm not getting over. Right, let's have a look. Things, yeah. Show you a quick look from the outside. So that's apparently what it looks like on the outside. Why there's a telephone in the vending machine. sure we'll be able to see in here because it's a bit dingy and dark. Fortune vending machine. There's a weird stairway up there, which you obviously can't get to. It is a bit weird like, but I like it. It obviously gets a lot of interest. Wires and everything. It's random wires. Stickers. Three idiots walking around Shibuya Crossing with our butts exposed, and we were spotted by a policeman, severely scalded at the police box. Another box there. It says, I was a virgin when I went to a baseball stadium in Kentucky, America. A South American girl was selling hot dogs, and she had the big breasts and a great figure. My hot dog was about to ejaculate. I don't know if I can read this, you better cover your ears. And I did so in the toilet. This is just absolutely crazy, this. And there's another one there. My friend Kato was in 6th grade. Riding a bicycle with a sex toy doll and was chased by the police car. I think you might just have to read the rest yourselves because it's graphic. There on a sticker. He's obviously made that himself and just posted it here, but it's interesting all the same. Let's see if I can squeeze in here. Oh, fat Geordie bloke trying to get in. Condoms if you're horny at weird vending machine corner. I hope you can see all this because it's a bit dingy and dark and I may be out of focus some of the time as well. So Jason, what were you up to today? Oh, well, I just fancied going to see some vending machines with bizarre notes attached to some of the stuff inside of said machine. It's a nice graphic actually, if you can see it. Don't know if it's going to show up. There's a chair and a bin. An array of drinks. found that quite interesting actually. It's supposed to be a cult place. Yeah. It's quite creepy though, must admit.